but again in the rain. Saturday, what is it, 14th? No, it wasn't Friday the 13th, was it? 15th? 15th. August, obviously. We've got a little put my tarpaulin in, we've got a little fucking den going. Well, a little camp shelter out by the jumpy bits, really. The best bit of the park, really, I suppose. Bettersands. It's rad, very temporary, but we've made it work. Ben's obsessed with that hole and filling it in. We were high up on this side, and then here. It's alright. Watch qualifying in a bit. Under some shelter. I'll do my camping chair now, it'll be good. Oh, good. Oh, damn it. Now the funky beats. Put the bike around it, look at it. It's just pushing it around it. Clagged. Tyres. Sticking this out. This big old corner going now. Do that up there. Jump in off the stump. I suppose we've not really got a lot done so far today because we haven't really progressed anywhere. We've just been working on this corner. Yeah, we've moved a load of dirt. We've moved a load of dirt, yeah. I mean, this was out here somewhere. We've dug it back.
You've dug it back, 2 foot back?
Yeah, but I mean, it's not getting late, but it's getting on. I want to get some more progress, more actual, like, visible changes. Well, we did that corner up there next, so that'll be, yeah, let me run past you. Right, this up here will be a corner on this stump. I'm going to dig all this out and level it somehow and rake it all down so that this is an actual bit. Put a load of dirt there, off of that. And it'll be, can't really show you, hop transfer into there. And I think that's going to have to be a corner right up to this tree. You're going to want to land there and ride that bit. Yeah, there's a shitload of dirt there now. Look how thick it is. It's looking like an actual bike park, proper berm now. Cut up the step. This is how we're going to get. Oh, right on my eye. Get this dirt here, over here.
Up there?
Well, actually, yeah, well, up there, but on the corner. Yeah, up there. Yeah, that's what we're doing. No, it just looks cool the way we cut this out. It's cool. Take the top layer off, chuck it up there, and you can literally just cut all this out, and it's perfect shit. The bermage. It's just rad. It's making like steps. Yeah, stand here, starting to take shape. I've got to go watch. Oh no!
So far the timings aren't reflecting that. Lance Stroll crosses the line, stays 5th fastest, doesn't improve his position. His teammate Sergio Perez is behind Norris and Gasly as they cross the line. Norris 7th fastest overall. Pierre Gasly goes above Carlos Sainz and goes 9th fastest. Here's Perez. Can he get maybe into the top 3 with this lap? Crosses the line, no. Stays 4th fastest, which means Max Verstappen, who's never starting in the top 3 here before, is looking a pretty odds-on bet to do that for the first time as Sainz out qualifies Norris to go 7th fastest. Verstappen crosses the line. It is 3rd fastest for him, and his teammate Alex Albon will start 6th fastest as Mercedes lock out the Norris front row of the 8th grid here for the 7th time in the last 8 years. And Lewis Hamilton backs pole. And
did I GoPro the shack, shanty, homeless shelter?
Town shanty.
With it, I don't even know what this is. Yeah, this.
It's our bod support meeting.
Look at this bad boy now. Shit ton of sand moved. But it's gonna hopefully hip in nicely into here when that's filled in. Oh mate, shifted all this. Oh, sweating. 12 shovelfuls in this bad boy. I just dragged it from the new dig spot. Look at it. There's a Royal Mail rammed. Ben's a lovely fucking shaped corner. Oh wow. It's fun trying to ride it. It all wants going around with a shovel whack now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that up there. So much sand on there. We did well moving all that up there. It's fucking nuts. All from down here on this cut out bit. We'll put up there. Doing shaping skills. Pretty much there. In terms of the amount of sand we're going to move today, fucking done loads. That is just ridiculous here. There's going to be a ton here, well, and some. We shifted 5 hours been at it today, shaping all this. But look at it. Hoping to get it all done and a jump going in, but it's not going to happen today. 5:30 now. Yes, rad. Wants riding now. If you ride something, man. Been in all day, not ridden yet. It's like 6 o'clock. We've done like 5 hours, 5.5 hours of pure graft on that other line. In this drizzly shit. These gloves are soaked. I'm going to take them off. It's just wet in my hands. Left them in the rain, clearly. It's on the ground. Soaked. God, I've not ridden this bike with the bars rolled this far forward. Oh, my hands are sore. Got no brakes. I've literally got no brakes. Brakes aren't working. You see me squeaking down there. They're not working. Pro line. This is going to be rather claggy on here, I think. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Damn, oh she wet. I'll give it a test run. Fuck knows where Ben is. Oh god, that's too soft. Oh god, it's too soft. Yeah, it's way too soft still. The little hop out, a little test. It was quite good on that little test run there. Oh, I didn't hit the big, I didn't hit the big part either. I missed it. Yeah, right. Changes in here. There's now 3 gaps recently, and they've dug out a hole there for what looks like it's going to be a new turbo line and a fence in. So let's try these now as gaps. Stick in here though. Oh, good. Way! God's sake, that's quite. I had to pull up on that then. That feels big, that one. That's nice. The new first one feels well nice. Feels like the second on the 6. Right, so another go. Nice. Come on, Ben, I want to see 180. Right, then. At least.
Go on. Okay, let's have a go then. God, it's so hard to pedal. Oh. That's what it's a downhill.
Yeah, you might want to go this way, it's downhill. Go that way, it's downhill this way.
I can only do it 90.
Those tyres. That's nuts. I just can't see because I've steamed up. Pins off. Woohoo! Yeah. Mate, loving that track today. Woohoo! He's coming now. He stopped at the Sunday. Oh man, fuck, it's muggy and steamy and weird in here.